Damn.
So basically now we will be understanding how many types of power apps basically we have. Okay. So we have Canvas app, we have model driven app, and we have power apps portals. Okay. So let me explain you from the beginning what is Canvas app and why do we use it. Okay. So let me tell you, a Canvas app is something like I'll give you example. Okay, so you have a like blank drawing paper. Okay, what we call a blank drawing paper, we call it canvas. Okay, now you now somebody has given you the drawing. Okay, somebody has given you that you have to design this. So what we do, we take a pen and pencil, whatever whatever the component that we require to create a drawing, same thing. Okay, you will be getting the data. You like client has tell you you have to design this. When I click on this button, this would be happen. When I click on that button, when I click on this button, the screen would be navigate there. When I click on cancel button, the pop-up will come. Okay, so canvas as is something. First you have to think in your mind before designing it. Okay, so in canvas app we can add more than 600 databases. Okay, so the database that the most frequently database that people use while creating canvas app, that is I would say a point database, SQL database, and Dataverse. Okay, Dataverse is nothing but it is a database of Power Apps. Okay, so we do design table, and if you have heard about like normalization, one to one relationship, one to many relationship, one to two relationship, like that, we can create by using Dataverse. Okay, same thing we can use with the SharePoint also. So in SQL, there is a like if you have to define some unique key, that could be considered as a primary key. Same thing you can design with the lookup column in the SharePoint. So we can create a database. Okay. So if you will see how it is going to be start with the user experience in mind. Okay. So if you have the requirement, okay, what you are going to do, you will think in your mind and you are going to elaborate those things into the canvas. Okay. So this is the canvas app. Okay. Now we will see what is model driven app and what why we should go with a model driven app over canvas app. Okay. So let me tell you the can model driven app. So as I told you, like in Canvas app, we are going to approach with the UI first and then we connect with the database. Okay. And while creating the model driven app, you should be having a database first. Okay. Because here you can also embed Canvas app, but the first approach would be come, you should be having a database first. Okay, then you are going to create a relationship between the database. Okay, so suppose you have to there is a sales. Okay, there is a sales every month in, like I'll give you the example of Ford company we will take. Okay, so Ford wanted to create a dashboard. Okay, how many sales they are going to have on every car. Okay, for a month, every month or every year. Okay, for last 5 years they just wanted to create a dashboard. Okay, so what we are going to do, they will give you the data into the Excel format. Okay, like raw data. Now you are going to uh, convert raw data into the useful data, that we are going to use query for that. Okay, once we convert raw data into the useful data, what we are going to define, we are going to create a relationship between columns. Okay, so this year this what is now we are going to start with creating the charts. Okay, so this is my bubble chart. This is my uh, like uh, uh, different kind of charts we create and we will provide the sales. Okay, so this is how we are going to create fully flash dashboard using model driven app. Okay, so how model driven app is helping you, it is going to truncate the use of Power BI also. Okay, because Power BI desktop is not required in order to create a dashboard. It's automatically embed the Power BI online version in model driven app. Fine. And along with that, in model driven app, we can also create custom pages. Okay, custom pages in the sense you can embed Canvas app into the Power Apps. Okay, so that is the use of, and what we are going to create. I'll give you one more example. Just take an example of onboarding. Okay, so you join a company. So how the onboarding system will start? First, the HR will give you the onboarding documents. Okay, onboarding documents such as like your previous experience, your Aadhaar ID, your like your PAN card, your previous year company salary, like that. This is the first step. After filling the first step, you will be going to the second step. The company would provide you like their email ID, teams, that thing. Okay, once you get, now you are going to like fill your data into that. Okay, so who is going to be your manager, who is going to be a team lead, okay, like on what project you are going to work. So that kind of application we can build in model driven app. Okay, so what is model driven app and what is canvas app? Canvas app is UI first approach and model driven app is database first approach. Okay, fine. Now we are going to see the Power Apps portal. Okay, so what is this Power Apps portal? Yeah, by portal, as a name suggests, we can understand like it is something like that we are going to create a website. Okay, so before 2022, okay, there is no name of Power Apps portal because recently Power Apps or Microsoft just wanted to implement AI into it. Okay, so nowadays we are hearing like everything is AI. Okay, so Microsoft is like a, like it's a company after Google. It is like that. So Microsoft does not want to be behind from anything. Okay. So they have implemented their own Power Apps portal. Okay. So if you are creating, you can also implement React code into it. You can also implement Fluent UI controls. That is again the React controls. You can create a fully fledged website and then you can like deploy that website on any kind of network. People can use just like a website. Nobody will figure out that particular website is built on Power Apps. Okay, so you can use the database. Okay, so you can use payment gateway in that. So that is completely based on like a AI based. Okay, you can implement Power like a bot. Okay, I'll give you how to create a bot. Okay, suppose you wanted to like you have a hotel. Okay, and in hotel you just need to add 50 plus questions. Okay, so what is the opening time of my hotel, what is the closing time of my hotel, so what are the like any location, nearby location, how to figure out. Okay, so that you this is how we are going to train our bot, and we will implement those bot on the home screen of that. So first person, if they wanted to like create their ID, so what we are going to, we create a, first they will implement sign up. Okay, as soon as they implement the sign up, we will get the notification into the database, and database trigger the flow. Okay, that is going to be done with the Power Automate. We will understand in forwarding slide what is Power Automate exactly. So this is how the Power Apps portal works. Okay.
Damn.